Different people prefer different ways. But there are all kinds of ways, right? I mean, if we are creative thinkers, we can't assign ourselves to formulas. When you are choosing to work in a new realm, or you are questioning any kind of system, and you put yourself at the edge, at the limit, and you push the boundary, there's always going to be a reaction. There's always going to be a response. There's always going to be judgment from some people who say that, you know, you are rebelling or you are doing things thoughtlessly. But it's very important that if you feel deeply and think deeply, as we were talking about earlier, and you have a deep cause, that you follow that deep impulse. It's not a superficial impulse. And it's also a commitment to be always questioning.